voltage. And so let's create some speed. Let's see it's available. Okay, speed is available. I will do one thing. Get speed in RPM. Speed in. We want yes. Create characteristics. Enter. Create. Okay. So description will be speed in RPM. Data will be released. Okay. Data will be numeric format. Say 4, 1. Measure will be RPM.
It's not clear. Can we create the units?
Okay. Measurement unit. Basically, it's a standard.
Here, revolution per minute is there, sir.
Okay.
Revolution per minute.
PP. Okay. RPM is there.
Yes, yes, revolution per minute. It's revolution.
It's downside.
Yes, yes, I have saw somewhere.
Basically, SAP has provided this standard. Okay. But in customization, there are some. Here they have not provided. But yes, as per our requirement, we can create it. But again, let me check. Because material management team will perform this activity. All units and measures and pieces or quantities they can update. Okay, speed and RPM parts per million one.
I read somewhere, but so revolution description is revolution per minute.
Okay. Okay. Okay, no issue. For time being, meter per hour like this. Okay. No issue. Okay. So, okay. So again, I will do one thing. It will be single value and interval values are allowed. What is meant by interval values are allowed? So if you see in temp, yeah. So basically, basically speed in RPM means there will be some ranges there. So I will show you here. So range like a 0 to 3000. Okay, it's compatible. Let's see 0 3000 0 space 3000. Okay, plus minus sign not allowed. Okay. So okay, range then 3000 again 2000 space dash space 5000. Okay, right.
Decimal place is 2. I think. I think you are on mute. So. Hello.
Yeah. Just a minute. Huh? So we have given power factor. Okay, we have creating characteristics with power factor. So for power factor, characteristics will be 2, and it will be interval value allowed and negative value. So what will be the power factor? You know, value of
Yes,
power factor.
yes, yes. It's 0.99, 0.98.
Correct. So it's
1.
1 minus 1 to 1. Correct.
Yes, yes.
So I will update the value minus 1 to okay. So it's minus 1 space dash space 1 minus 1 to 1. So interval value allowed means it will take the value from minus 1 to 1 means point every 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, and negative value are allowed. Correct. So it will take minus 1. Okay. So that's are important. We need to update for updating power factor. Okay. So next is little bit technical. So I will save this. We will go for serial number. We need to update serial number as a characteristics. What happens? There are different pumps are available and different serial number for that pump. So I will make some code is there. SL underscore number. So let's create. This will be serial number. Okay. So this serial number we need to map with existing data. So how we see basically what happens? The company already created some equipments before creating characteristics. So my aim is that after configuration, this serial number or characteristic of that pump will be get automatically populated in my characteristics. So how we can take this or how we can populate or automatically update. So for example, /IE02, we have created one equipment. So here I will update manufacturer serial number. So okay, this is pump Eton hydraulic. Okay, hydraulic press. Okay, Bosch is making hydraulic. Okay, what is the manufacturer? Sorry,
Kirloskar.
Kirloskar. Okay. Kirloskar. So Kirloskar, but the manufacturer serial number will be not with okay KSL KSB 000123 like this. Okay. So this is the serial number of manufacturer. So before configuration of characteristic, this already available in your system. Right now, you need to populate that details in your characteristics. So how will you do that? So I will save this. This is little bit technical. No need to worry. You will understand once you make the practice. Okay. So I am go inside keep your cursor on manufacturer serial number and press F1. Right. I press F1. Here you will get the manufacturer serial number and details, use and example. So if you want to be a good consultant, you can start your journey with pressing F1 on the field. SAP has already provided the description of the fields, but it will take so much time to see each and every fields, and it's not mandatory to go each and every field, but whenever you can simply press a cursor, and put F1. You will get performance assistance from SAP. Okay, so I will put F1, and here one menu bar is there, menu tab, where it shows a technical description. Okay, technical information. So I will click on that. So it will give me the table and field. So what is this table? This table means whatever the data updated in the manufacturer serial number field, it will be available in that table. In the last session of our customization, I will show you how to see the table. So almost 50 to 60% activity of consultant are depend upon the tables and field.
Okay.
So it's most important. So, but at this point of time, you will not able to understand. So just see what I am doing. We will take some details, or will focus more on this topic later on at the end of our training. Okay. So table is I top. I will copy. Table is I will copy table. Okay. Nice. I top is the table, and field is SERGE. Okay. So what I need to map the existing data to my characteristics. So I have created equipment and I have updated this. Up to this, have you understand, right?
Yes, yes.
I will save this and I will go to display. So I need to populate this in characteristics. Okay. So here one field is there, which is additional data.
Okay.
Okay. So you can go there and you can update that reference table and field here.
Okay.
So what is the table name? Table name is ITOP. Okay. Table name is ITOP. Correct? So we need to simply copy that table name here, and field name is SERGE search. Okay, and enter. Okay. Data has been taken from ABAP dictionary. Just a moment. If you QUI. Okay. So if you see, if you want to do the multiple selection for the table and field, iTop S SCRG. Okay. So you can do multiple selection here. Means you need to copy the multiple fields and multiple details for the serial number. SAP has provided that details. Correct. So same way you can update the fields and tables and you can save this.